Resetting VLC Media Player to default settings is done primarily to resolve issues caused by changed or corrupted configuration settings. Users often reset VLC for the following reasons. VLC crashes, freezes, or behaves unpredictably. Video or audio playback malfunctions. In other words, there is no video output or sound. Customized settings like skins, video, subtitle, or audio options cause problems or unwanted changes. The GUI fails, or strange behaviors like green screens or the inability to switch subtitles or audio occur. Users want to undo all manual customizations and restore the player to its original state for a clean start. Resetting essentially wipes out all user-configured preferences. It returns VLC's behavior to what is expected by default. This helps fix various errors without reinstalling the software. Here are the steps to follow to reset VLC Media Player to default settings. Open VLC Media Player. Click on the Tools menu at the top. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. At the bottom left of the Preferences window, click the Reset Preferences button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to confirm. Close, and then reopen VLC Media Player for the reset to take effect. This will restore VLC settings to their original defaults without needing to reinstall the application. Now, go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.